in Tanga Metric Higher Secondary School. I feel very happy to stand here and talk about my family. There are 4 members in my family: my father, my brother, my mother, and me. My father's name is Kanagaraj. My mother's name is Lalita. My father works in LIC advisor. My mother works in LIC advisor and take care of everyone with love. We eat dinner together and share our days. My parents teach me good manner, kindness,